Good morning, students. Let's proceed our chapter Work and Energy. And today we will discuss our last topic of work and energy. So, let's start. Rate of doing work. Actually, what we understand by this? Suppose I am walking and one another person is cycling. Naturally, the person who is cycling will go far distance than me in certain interval of time. Take another example. I am cycling and one another person is going by car. Obvious. He will go far distance within that certain interval of time comparison to me. So, this is power. Naturally, we will say that car has more power than cycle. So, actually, what we are comparing this? We are comparing with time. Within certain interval of time, car is going more far distance comparison to cycle. So, rate of doing work. In physics, rate, always I have taught you, means that physical quantity is divided by time. So, here, power is rate of doing work. It is denoted by P, work done by time. Whenever we are dividing certain physical quantity with time, that comes rate. So, W by T. So, one of the formula of power is P is equal to W by T. If we are just expressing the power in terms of energy, so we can write P is equal to W by T, and we know W is nothing but energy. If we have energy, we apply force and the body will move. So this work done is nothing but energy. So we can write E by T. So in terms of energy, P is equal to E by T. Next, let us express power in terms of force. We know P is equal to W by T, and W we have studied till now, force into displacement by time. Just separate the force into displacement by time, and displacement by time is nothing but its velocity. We have studied in our first chapter. So, S by T we can write V. So, P is equal to force into velocity. So, this is expression for power, that is power is equal to force into velocity. So let us see SI unit. SI unit of power is W. P is equal to W by T. W SI unit is joule, time SI unit is second, and power SI unit is watt, that it is in terms of in the name, by the name of scientist. So, watt is equal to joule per second. So, if we will go in higher unit, that is 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt, and we can write this as a 10 to the power 3 joule per second. If we go more higher unit, 1 megawatt, and megawatt is nothing but that is 10 to the power of 6 watt, that is we can write 10 to the power of 6 joule per second. But you know, machines, they are doing more powerful work. So machines, that power is measured in horsepower. So what is 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. So here what happened? If we have to pay a electricity bill. So let us see, whenever we are doing something related to the money, that is commercial unit. So let us see what is the commercial unit of electrical energy. We know power is equal to E by T, and we can write energy consumed is equal to P into T. So whenever we have to pay an electricity bill, which shows that how much electrical energy is consumed by our appliances. So that is expressed in unit. You also have seen that when person is coming from electricity board office, then they will say that yes, we ask how much unit or how much money we have to pay. Then they say that yes, this month you have consumed 10 unit. Actually, what we mean that 10 unit, how we will pay the money for that? So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. If in 1 hour we consume 1 kilowatt of energy, that means our appliances consumed 1 kilowatt of energy, then it is known as 1 unit. And like this, we are paying the electricity bill. So let us see in 1 unit how much total energy is consumed. So 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt into 1 hour. So change it into second, because we know that everything we have to change it in SI unit. So 1000 watt into 60 into 60. We will get this one as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So actually in 1 unit, how much energy it has been consumed by our appliances? That is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule of energy is consumed by our appliances. And then government is just fixed a price that for 1 unit they have to pay 2 rupees 50 paise. So for 10 unit, for 15 unit, like this we are taking out the bill, and then we are paying the electricity board office. So up to here we will do. Next class we will do the related with numerical.